Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about rutabagas, and I have a list of tips and ideas for when you're using rutabagas. Hopefully this will help you out. Try adding some shredded rutabagas to your favorite coleslaw. Try baked rutabaga fries. Rutabagas need a high humidity environment, but definitely not wet, and cold temperatures when you're storing them. So since the refrigerator is a very dry environment, they can be kept well in plastic bags when they're being stored in the refrigerator. Or you could try putting them in the crisper drawer with the air vent closed, or the setting on high humidity, and that will help to create that humid environment for them. Why not try a hearty stew with carrots and potatoes, rutabagas, turnips, and other root vegetables? Try adding diced rutabagas to your favorite soups and stews and casseroles. Try making some hash browns with rutabagas instead of potatoes. Add a little grated raw rutabaga to a green salad. Why not saute some rutabagas with apples and a little honey? Why not spiralize rutabagas and make some spiral noodles with them and saute it with a little olive oil, a little salt? Yum! Now when you're shopping for rutabagas and you want a hint of the flavor of a particular rutabaga, don't be afraid to pick it up and smell it. The more pronounced the aroma, the more pungent the flavor is going to be. One medium rutabaga is about 1.5 to 2 pounds and will yield 4 to 5 cups when cubed. Now, although the flavors could be somewhat different and change the profile of a dish, if you've got a recipe that calls for rutabagas and you don't have any, you could substitute in place of them turnips, broccoli stems, or even kohlrabi bulbs. You could also substitute rutabagas with parsnips, beets even, potatoes, sweet potatoes, or even carrots. I do hope this helps you out and gives you some new ideas for using rutabagas. Do take care, and let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Bye for now.